This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing scope. Pick 3 to 5 focused examples that clearly show the idea. Once chosen, clean the repo so only runnable code remains. You reduce cognitive load for viewers. Make sure to include a simple launch command and a requirements list so anyone can run your demo. Use consistent naming and a short README with steps. This first momentum prevents distractions and lets you jump into live demos quickly, which engages the audience right away. Now you craft the narrative. Explain the problem, describe your approach, then run a concise live demo. While you narrate, highlight or annotate the important lines so viewers follow intent versus implementation. Make transitions explicit. Now I'll refactor this. Next, we test performance. Include one short benchmark or visual to show impact, and keep each demo under 2 to 3 minutes. This structure maintains attention and helps the audience retain the how and the why behind. To finish, you summarize 3 concrete takeaways and offer next steps the viewer can try immediately. Make sure to demonstrate recovery. Show which logs to inspect, 1 or 2 common fixes, and a rollback or reset command. Once done, provide reproducible artifacts like a gist or small container image so viewers can follow along after the talk. If something breaks, run the prepared minimal demo and check the listed logs first. This usually reveals the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.